शायर तो नहीं मगर हंसी जब से देखा मैंने तुझको मुझको शायरी आ गई।
Namaskar. Rishi Kapoor, the romance king of the 80s and the Bollywood's beloved Chintu, passes away. While most baby boomers remember him as a dancing star, for millennials he is popular for his tweets. In fact, his last message was about healthcare workers in their battle against the COVID-19 pandemic. Even though his debut in Bollywood is often considered to be the movie Mera Naam Joker, he made his first screen appearance as a mere toddler in Shri 420. Rishi's proper debut as a male lead was opposite Dimple Kabadia, a sweet teenage love story that gave us some of the best and still hummable songs. Bobby established Rishi as a romantic hero, and from there was no looking back.
Bollywood's heartthrob of the 70s and acclaimed national award-winning actor, Rishi Kapoor has been a successful entertainer for over 5 decades. Born on 4th September 1952 in Chembur, Mumbai, in the Kapoor family of Bollywood, Rishi Kapoor debuted in his father's 1970 film Mera Naam Joker in a child role for which he bagged the National Film Award.
तू मैं के चली जाएगी मैं डंडा लेकर आऊंगा मैं डंडा लेकर.
He had his first lead role as an adult opposite Dimple Kapadia in the 1973 cult film Bobby and received the Filmfare Best Actor Award in 1974.
मैं आरी से कटवाऊंगा हम तुम एक कमरे में बंद हो और चाबी खो जाए तेरे नैनों की फूल फुलैया में चाबी खो जाए हम तुम एक कमरे में बंद हो और चाबी खो जाए. तुमने कभी किसी से प्यार किया? कभी किसी को दिल दिया? मैंने भी दिया.
Later, he delivered many box office hits such as Rafu Chakkar, Laila Majnu, Qarz, Naseeb,
भंवरे ने खिलाया फूल फूल को ले गया राजकुंवर.
Prem Rog, Damani, among others. Amar Akbar Anthony, his journey continued until last year. In the past, his character roles were appreciated, especially in films like Do Duni Char, D-Day, 102 Not Out, and Kapoor and Sons. Rishi Kapoor was honored with Filmfare Lifetime Achievement Award in 2008.
गिर साले गिर एड़ी पे सोड दे एड़ी पे काय सलीम बोल
भाई होटल से आ रहा हूँ सगळी तैयारी झाली डिटेल्स नंतर देतो और वो जनरल रजा वेट कर रहे हैं आपका.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम जनरल भाई.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम.
वाह हुकूमत गुलाम के हर.
इकबाल तुम जानते हो कि मैं यहाँ क्यों आया हूँ?
हाँ भाई लंदन में पार्क लेन में आका अपार्टमेंट खरीदा गया है. सलीम साहब ने पेपर दिले नहीं. लाला मेरा नाम है रौफ लाला और रौफ लाला लड़की बेचे बिना बाजार बंद नहीं करता. फिर लगाओ इस लौंडिया की गोली.
He was also honored by the Russian government for his contribution to films in 2009.
तुम पागल हो? वो बिल्कुल चाहती कि तुम उसे छोड़ ले आओ. बिल्कुल बुरी तरह से.
Throughout his almost 50 years long career in Bollywood, Rishi Kapoor acted in over 100 films, including many hit movies in the lead and as a supporting actor.
मेरे जागने से पहले हाय रे मेरी किस्मत मेरे जागने से पहले हाय रे मेरी किस्मत तो जाती है, मैं देर करता नहीं, देर हो जाती है, मैं देर करता नहीं, देर हो जाती है। पायलिया हो तेरी पायलिया शोर मचाए, नींद चुराए, होश उड़ाए, मुझको पास बुलाए और अब्बा हो।
फिर उन्हीं रास्तों पे तेरे मेरे कदमों का मिलना बाकी है, दर्द में रंजिशों में संग मुझना और चलना बाकी है।
Rishi Kapoor's death has shocked the entire Hindi film fraternity that was just grappling with the loss of another legendary actor, Irfan Khan, who passed away on 29th of April. Grief-stricken by the demise of the charismatic actor Rishi Kapoor, a versatile performer who we always admired. An actor from a legendary family entertaining us for decades gone too soon. Such were the tweets and messages from fans, near and dear ones on social media.
It has been a week of despair for the Indian film industry as it suffered the loss of two of its most beloved actors. After the gloomy Wednesday afternoon that brought the news of Irfan Khan's passing away, Thursday morning came with another blow. Rishi Kapoor, one of the biggest stars of the 70s, was no more. Jovial, outspoken and charismatic, Rishi Kapoor lit the screens every time he appeared on it. He was 67 years old and was suffering from cancer. Devastated at the loss of his beloved friend and co-star, superstar Amitabh Bachchan tweeted and said, "He's gone. Rishi Kapoor, gone. Just passed away. I'm destroyed." Bachchan's tweet broke the sad news. From Rajinikanth to Akshay Kumar, the whole film fraternity mourned the loss of Bollywood's evergreen heartthrob. Rishi Kapoor's older brother Randhir Kapoor confirmed the news. He died in Mumbai's Sir H.N. Reliance Foundation Hospital. The Kapoor family later issued a message. Our dear Rishi Kapoor passed away peacefully at 8:45 a.m. in hospital today after a 2-year battle with leukemia. The doctors and medical staff at the hospital said he kept them entertained to the last. His wife Neetu Kapoor, daughter Riddhima Kapoor Sahni, niece Karishma Kapoor and Kareena Kapoor Khan shared pictures of the veteran actor. His daughter is in Delhi due to the lockdown. Not just Bollywood, even President and Prime Minister expressed their grief over the loss. The President tweeted and said, "Rishi Kapoor's untimely demise is shocking. An evergreen personality with an always smiling face. He was so full of life that it's difficult to believe that he is no more. A huge loss for the entertainment industry. Let us pray for his soul. Condolences to his family and friends." Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu extended his condolences. He said, "Deeply saddened to learn about demise of veteran Hindi film actor Shri Rishi Kapoor. The talented actor essayed many roles with aplomb and was popular for his romantic films. In his passing away, the nation has lost a beloved son and a film industry lost a gem." Prime Minister Modi in a message said, "Multifaceted, endearing and lively, this was Rishi Kapoor ji. He was a powerhouse of talent. I will always recall our interactions even on social media. He was passionate about films and India's progress. Anguished by his demise, condolences to his family and fans. Om Shanti." Saddened by the news, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh expressed his grief. He said, "Anguished by the passing away of noted film actor Rishi Kapoor, he carved a special place in the hearts of his fans with his inimitable style and performances. My thoughts are with his family and fans in this hour of grief. Om Shanti." Home Minister Amit Shah also expressed his condolences. He said, "Pained to know about passing away of legendary actor Rishi Kapoor ji. He was always an institution in himself. Rishi ji's demise is an irreparable loss to Indian cinema. He will always be remembered for his exceptional acting skills. Condolences to family and followers." Information Broadcasting Minister Prakash Javadekar paid his tributes to the veteran actor. He said, "The sudden demise of actor Rishi Kapoor is shocking. He was not only a great actor, but a good human being. Heartfelt condolences to his family and fans."
It's very sad that we have lost Rishi Kapoor. Yesterday we lost Irfan Khan, today we have lost Rishi Kapoor. Both very able actors, very talented artists. I pay my homage to them, and Rishi Kapoor started from Bobby up to Kapoor and Sons, and I think he has displayed his skills in all kinds of roles and always enthralled the people of India and outside also. The world will fill the vacuum because both were popular internationally, and so I pay my homage.
Rishi Kapoor was one of the most loved actors of Bollywood across generations. From Bobby to Kapoor and Sons, his family stayed with people forever. The news came in as a shock for everyone. The film fraternity, the audience, film critics, everyone called it one of the biggest losses for the nation and Indian cinema.
आज पूरे विश्व में एक ऐसा दौर चल रहा है जो कि सब कोई मौत के साथ जूझ रहे हैं, सामने मौत दिखाई दे रहा है सभी के लिए। इसी के बीच में हमारे बॉलीवुड इंडस्ट्री में कल और आज दो बहुत बड़ा ब्लो आया है। कल तो था इरफान खान का न्यूज़, इरफान खान चल गए, और आज ऋषि कपूर भी नहीं रहे, ये न्यूज़ मुझे मिला। ये बहुत ही दुर्भाग्यजनक है।
आज सुबह उठते ही साथ चिंटू जी की, ऋषि कपूर जी के निधन की खबर आई। कल इरफान भाई की आई थी। चारों तरफ कुछ ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे ईश्वर हमसे कोई बदला ले रहा है। पर ऋषि कपूर जी का जो निधन है उसमें बहुत सारी छोटी छोटी सीख भी है। मुझे अच्छे से याद है, मैं उनसे एक बार एक ट्रिब्यूट टू लेजेंड्स हम लोग कर रहे थे और ऋषि कपूर जी आए। बाकी जनरली स्टार्स जो होते हैं जनरली वो क्या डायलॉग होंगे, क्या सीन है, क्या करना है, ये पूछते हैं। पर तब मल्टी कैमरा का नया नया जमाना था, तो उन्हें आते ही साथ ही आस्क मी, अरे ये कैमरा कैसे चलता है, तू बता वो क्या चलता है। और आधे एक घंटे तक वहां लाइट बॉयज के साथ घुस के वो नहीं पेपर में ड्रॉ करके बता, और वो पेपर अंदर रख के चले गए। जो ये जीवन को सीखने की जो चाह थी उनके अंदर, दैट वॉज वेरी इंप्रेसिव। और आप ये देखिए कि जब उन्होंने अपना करियर शुरू किया था बॉबी के वक्त, तब वो राज कपूर जी का जमाना था। बरगद के पेड़ के नीचे जनरली छोटे मोटे पेड़ फलते नहीं है। अमिताभ बच्चन, धर्मेंद्र, राजेश खन्ना जी का जमाना था। हर एक्टर उनको कॉपी करने की कोशिश करता था। ऋषि कपूर स्टार्टेड हिज ओन स्कूल ऑफ एक्टिंग।
शानदार अभिनेता और मेरे बहुत करीबी दोस्त, मेरे मार्गदर्शक, मेरे पिता की तरह। भैया ऋषि कपूर के देहांत से बेहद दुख हुआ है। मुझे बहुत दुख इसलिए भी हुआ है क्योंकि मैंने उनके साथ काम किया है। उन्होंने पहली फिल्म जो डायरेक्ट की थी उसके गाने मैंने लिखे। फिल्म दीवाना, बोल राधा बोल, ईना मीना डी का, बहुत सारी सिटिंग्स मुझे याद आती हैं ऋषि कपूर जी के साथ, नीतू भाभी। मतलब एक ऐसा परिवार कि जिनके साथ अगर आप एक बार जुड़ जाएं तो सारी जिंदगी उनको भूल नहीं सकते। अभी अभी जब वो अमेरिका से इलाज करा के लौटे थे तो मैं जब भी उनको फोन करता था मुझे पंडित जी कह के बुलाते थे। मैं अगर अभी मैसेज करूं तो 1 सेकंड के अंदर उनका जवाब आता था। इतना जिंदा दिल इंसान, एक ऐसा कलाकार जो सदियों सदियों तक याद किया जाएगा।
ऋषि कपूर था दुनिया के लिए, मेरे लिए हमेशा चिंटू था। सब जानते हैं कि हमारे यहाँ कर्ज का साथ आज तक है। आज तक हम कर्ज की उसी वातावरण में हैं। हिंदुस्तान का अगर 5 सर्वोत्तम आर्टिस्ट, एक्टर्स में कोई है तो ऋषि कपूर है। 40 साल से 40 साल तक उनका पैशन अभी तक नहीं गया था। मैं लास्ट महीने उसको मिला था। मैं शूटिंग में जाऊंगा, मैं काम करूंगा, मेरा ये रोल है, तुम एक पिक्चर बनाओ। वो तो ऐसा लगता था कि बीमार ही नहीं था, उतनी ही एनर्जी। ये बहुत बड़ा शॉकिंग न्यूज है, मेरे लिए बर्दाश्त नहीं हो सकता। सॉरी चिंटू, वी ऑल लव यू।
I just cannot believe that Rishi Ji is no more. I'm deeply, deeply saddened by this news. Just yesterday we heard Irfan Khan is no more, and today this devastating news. In a span of 2 days, we have lost 2 great actors. It's such a huge loss for Indian film industry. And I have worked with both of them, and especially with Rishi Ji, I was able to work with him in 3 films, Hina, Honeymoon and Mohabbat Ki Arzu. And in my debut film, Hina, the love, affection and guidance I got from Rishi Ji gave me the confidence to be myself throughout rest of my career. And for that, I would forever be thankful to him.
Actor Amir Khan also expressed grief over the loss. He tweeted and said, "We have lost one of the greats today, an amazing actor, a wonderful human being, 100% a child of cinema. Thank you for all the joy you brought to our lives. Thank you for being the actor and human being that you were. You will be badly missed, Rishi Ji. Love." Remembering the veteran actor, legendary singer Lata Mangeshkar wrote that she is at a loss of words. It is a heartbreaking news. The passing away of Rishi Kapoor is a very big loss to the film industry. May his soul rest in peace. Salman Khan, Sunny Deol and many other actors bid farewell to one of the legendary actors of Indian cinema. Calling a nightmare, actor Akshay Kumar expressed his grief. It seems like we are in the midst of a nightmare. Just heard the depressing news of Rishi Kapoor ji passing away. It's heartbreaking. He was a legend, a great co-star and a good friend of the family. My thoughts and prayers with the family. Within 48 hours, Bollywood lost 2 of the most lovable stars. Coincidentally, both of these actors were fighting a battle against cancer. They were loved across generations, both from the film fraternity and audiences.
Over 5 decades, the 67-year-old actor rolled out the hits, featured in numerous chart-busting songs and aced character roles. Where do we even begin to pick from such a long and beautiful career?
मैं दुश्मन तो नहीं, मैं दुश्मन तो नहीं, मगर हंसी जब से देखा मैंने तुझको, मुझको दोस्ती आ गई। मैं शायर तो नहीं, गवाह है चांद तारे, गवाह है, गवाह है चांद तारे, गवाह है तेरे मेरे मिलन के, अपने दीवानेपन के नजारे, गवाह है।
as we lose another powerhouse of talent, Rishi Kapoor. The world of cinema will always be thankful for your exceptional work. You were loved by people of all generations. You will be certainly missed. Thanks for watching. Namaskar.
तेरे दर्द से दिल वादे रहा, तेरे दर्द से दिल वादे रहा, कुछ भूल गए कुछ याद रहा, कुछ याद रहा, तेरे दर्द से दिल वादे रहा, कुछ भूल गए कुछ याद रहा, कुछ याद रहा।
मेरा आशीर्वाद तुम्हारे ऊपर है। बहुत तरक्की करो, सफलता प्राप्त करो, मेहनत करो। देखो शोहरत, नाम ये सब आता है मेहनत के बाद। जब तक मेहनत और थोड़ी किस्मत साथ देगी तो पर अपने आप पेड़ों पर लगेंगे। बस उसकी ये एक गांठ बात रखना।
मैं शायर तो नहीं मगर हंसी, जब से देखा मैंने तुझको मुझको शायरी